Hello, Puerto Princesa, Palawan. Marga here from Majo Imbiss to announce that tonight's value meal and drink deal is our Thirsty Tower specials, 2 liters and 3 liters at $3.99 and $4.99 pesos, along with our crispy fried chicken leg with rice at 99 pesos, and we are now on Backride Palawan delivery app.
Yeah, get ready for a feast in the heart of Puerto Rico. Deep in the downtown where the city roars, Majo Imbiss calls through the open doors. Value meal weekend and it's Thursday night. Crispy fried chicken, man, it's a pure delight. 99 pesos, feel the hunger rise. With lime, mango, grapefruit, let's electrify. Cocktail towers towering 2 and 3 in the dreams. And the gun is ready, hear the rock and roll screams. It's a Thursday thrill, shout it out loud. Majo Imbiss with a hungry crowd. Your balls clanging and we're living right. With Palawanperfection, we'll party all night. Free Wi-Fi blazing in this paradise here. Wine guy and wine girl lift a toast, let's cheer. In the garden of rock, under stars shining bright. With every crispy bite, we ignite the night. 99 pesos, come and take your place. Taste the flavor.